Hello, everyone. It is Monday, August 17th. The sky is shining bright with sunshine, and that makes me happy inside. And this video is for all my remote learners. They're probably looking at me going, "What is Quizizz?" If you've never used Quizizz before, it's kind of a cool platform that you can use for assessments, whether it be multiple choice, short answer, doing polls. I like to use Quizizz a lot. We're going to use a lot this year. Um, I'm in Google Classroom. I'm going to click on my remote learning class. I go to class 4 because that's where I'm going to find everything. And you'll see that I've already talked to you about vocabulary. I've already talked to you about Khan Academy. We have not gotten to the essay writing notes yet, so don't worry about that too much right now. If you want to print them off, I'm cool with that. If you just want to ignore them for the time being, that's fine. So we're going to get to them come hopefully Wednesday. You'll see there's an open note quiz and a practice Quizizz. Now I'm going to click on practice Quizizz first, and it says complete the Quizizz practice assessment just so you can get some practice using Quizizz. If you need a code to get into the game, the event the link does not work, it's 0103-102. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight that. Oops, nope. Let's try it again. There we go. I'm just going to copy that just in case it doesn't work. So there's like 2 different links down here. I don't care which link you click on. I'm going to click on this. And this can ask me to sign in, I think. And that's fine. I'm signed in using my Google account. The Wi-Fi here has been kind of funky today, so it looks like it's working now. All right, so how are you using Quizizz? I'm a student. I'll do your account details. Let's see here. So that's from my birthday. Put in my birthday. It's just making sure that you're not like 5 years old. I'm old, so I'm just gonna keep scrolling down, show my age right there. What grade am I in? Well, being that I'm 38, it sounds like I'm in 8th grade still, so I'm going to laugh about that later on. Okay, so I'm in the Quizizz. Mr. Bean invited you to join the class on Quizizz. I don't need to enter my parents' email if I don't want to, so I can click go back. So if it asks your parents' email, if you want to enter that, that's fine. If you don't, it's okay. You don't really need it, but enter a game code. This is where I want to be. I'm going to put that game code in right there. I'm going to click join. Okay, well, it's not making me have to do it, so I'm just going to enter in my personal email address so I get my own emails. That'll be fine. All right, so start game. If you want to leave the music on, that's fine. The sound effects, I'm not going to. You see where it says memes? So Quizizz is kind of funky because if you get a question right, it's going to compliment you. And if you get a question wrong, it's going to potentially insult you or maybe tell you to study more. Don't take it too personal. It's there for fun. So if you get offended by the meme, send me an email. I'll see what I can do if I'll get that meme removed. But they're just there to have a laugh about it. I'll probably tell you to study if you got one wrong. And I'm going to show you that here in a minute. So I'm going to click start game. It looks like Jesse and Christian are taking this right now. I'm going to click start game. And pretty much what happens, this is just practice. So if I get something wrong, it's okay because it's just practice. It says rule number 3. Now, I had to have read the syllabus to know this, okay? So my top 5 rules are be on time, be respectful, try your best, don't be foolish, don't be a drama queen. Try your best is rule number 3. So I'm going to click on try your best, and boom, I got it right, okay? And yeah, boy, that's pretty cool right there, okay? Our rule number 4 is don't be foolish, and that's over here. I'm going to click that, and let's see what it says. Oh, it didn't give me anything there. Let's see what happens when I get something wrong. Rule number 5 is don't be a drama queen, which is right there. It says don't be a bowling ball, don't steal someone's gravity, don't raise your hand. I'm going to go with don't be a bowling ball. and it tells me the correct answer. And it didn't insult me. Okay, sometimes a meme will pop up. Sometimes apparently it doesn't. I know today it's been touch and go. I don't know what's going on with Quizizz today. Rule number 1 is be on time. Ooh, I'm going to click buy me a milkshake. It tells me that's wrong. It should be on time. Okay, now I know. I'm learning. Okay. And it's not going to insult me. Okay. Rule number 2 is be respectful. Ooh, I got that one right. Oh, look at that. Look at that beast. Y'all ain't want none. Did y'all see that? That was me when I was like 9. The name of your teacher is Superman. No, Shrek. Sir Walter Raleigh, I think it's Mr. Michael Bean. And let's see if it insults me or anything. Oh, it's not going to. So sometimes the memes pop up, sometimes it don't. I got a 66%. This was just practice. It's okay if you bomb some of these questions. It's just to get you introduced to the program, okay? I know today some of the kids in class said they've used Quizizz. Some of the kids said they've never used Quizizz. It's fine. So if you want to try it again, I'm fine with that. That's between you and whatever. But this is just for practice. So if I got a 66 on it, that'll be just fine. I'm not going to worry too much about that, okay? I'm going to go back to Google Classroom because now that I know how to use Quizizz, there's an open note quiz right here. Now, last week, you had those literary terms that you need to copy into your notebook, or you could print them off. And it says, use your notes, which means I need to use my notes. I'm not going to try to answer this quiz, go through this quiz without using my notes because it's an open note quiz. I literally gave you the answers on Google Classroom. So, before you take this quiz, I don't know, I'm trying to show you guys what to do here. Down here, let's see, let's zoom out a little bit. I thought that would make that easier to see, but it's at the bottom of the screen right below. Let's see if I can expand that. Okay, there we go. See down here where it says review literary term notes, and they're right there? Yeah, that's where all the answers are to this quiz, okay? So make sure you use that when you go through this quiz, okay? So I can click right here, and it says if I need a code, there it is, 420-3149. I'm just going to copy that right quick just in case okay? And copy. It doesn't matter which one you click. I'm going to click on this one this time. Yep. Still me. Yep, I know. Okay. Start demo. Now it looks like Christian and Tyler are in here right now. So I'm going to try this quiz now. So remember, all the answers to these terms are in my notes. Okay, so like a 2-line stanza is a what? A stanza, a haiku, an epic, or a couplet. I would have to look at my notes to find the answers to this. So a 2-line stanza is not going to be called a stanza because that literally doesn't make any sense. So if you click stanza, it's going to be wrong. Okay. For the sake of this, I'm going to click couplet, and look at that. That's the correct answer, and it goes on from there. Okay. Use your notes for this. Okay. If for some reason you have a question, send me an email, but it's straight up. It's pretty easy. Good luck with that, okay? Now, that is going to close on the 18th at 11:45 p.m. That's tomorrow. So make sure you get that done, okay? If you have any questions, send me an email, tweet me at TeachingBean on Twitter, or you can send me an email, whatever you want to do, okay? Peace out. I think that's enough for right now. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.